Ever wished your phone could be both compact and a full-screen powerhouse? Meet the Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, the flip phone of 2025 that does just that. Launched in May 2025, the Razr 60 Ultra is Motorola's premium flip phone, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and packed with 16 gigabytes RAM and up to 1 terabyte storage. It comes in breathtaking finishes: real wood, mountain trail, Alcantara suede, and bold Pantone colors, plus a reinforced titanium hinge and IP48 dust water resistance. On the outside, it features a massive 4-inch POLED cover display, sharp 1272 by 1080 resolution, vibrant colors, and a silky smooth 165Hz refresh rate. Open it up to reveal a 7-inch LTPO AMOLED Super HD internal display, 2992 by 1224 res, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and brightness peaking up to an astonishing 4500 nits. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip delivers flagship-tier speed, fast multitasking, silky gaming, and standout benchmarks even among foldables. Pair that with a 4700 mAh battery and turbo power charging, 68-watt wired, 30-watt wireless for all-day use and super fast top-ups. This Razr packs a triple 50-megapixel camera system, wide, ultra-wide, and front. While it lacks a telephoto lens, the overall camera performance is a marked improvement over past flip models. It also brings Moto AI to the table, a handy shortcut via a dedicated AI button, plus cool tools like Remember This and Catch Me Up for smart task handling. Flagship-level performance and smooth displays, excellent battery life with fast charging, premium materials and solid build, innovative AI and software features. High price, starting around $12.99, £10.99, no telephoto camera, limited at longer zooms. AI features are neat but not yet groundbreaking. The Motorola Razr 60 Ultra isn't just a phone. It's a statement. Beauty, power, and flair, all in a compact form. It's pricey, but it may just be the best flip phone you can buy in 2025. Like, subscribe, and follow for more tech reviews.